Hello everyone, and I show how to make a Lego puzzle box. It looks like this. Yeah, first I show how it works. First you take one by one, just take away and slide this 2x2 smooth. Yeah, slide it and slide this, and you get a treasure. Yep. And I show how to make. Wait. Yeah. First, you need this. Two 1x2 flat. Two. Okay, and then you need one by one, and then one 2x2 smooth, and then one 1x2 smooth, and then one by one smooth. This is gonna be your treasure. Two 1 by 1 flat. Yeah, and I show how to make. First, you need this 1 by 2. Yeah, 1 by 2. Oops. And then you get a 1 by 1 flat. Put it right here. And then another. Put it right here. And then like this, and then you get a 1 by 2 flat, and put it right here. Put it right over here, like this, and 1 by 1, put it 1 by 1 smooth, put it right here, and 1 by 2 smooth, put it right over here, like this, and you can slide it. And then you get 2 by 2 flat smooth, and put it here. And then one by one, put it right over here. Put it over here, like this. And then you can move, but take away 1 by 1. And then you can move. Wait. Oh, yeah, you can move. Yeah. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.